What's up, everybody? Today I'm doing Grotto Falls, and let me tell you, it is really crowded. Like, really crowded. It's super crowded. Let me just tell you this. It is July the 6th, and it is so damn hot outside right now. It's like in the 90s right now. Like 95 on a hiking trail. I had a much longer trail planned for this, about a 15-mile hike, but I was like, no way, not today. Can't do it in this heat. I'm literally eating someone's fart right now. Even on 95-degree days, that 50-degree water is very cold. Just goes to show, if you look hard enough, even during peak season, you can always find a place to get away. Okay guys, made it to Grotto Falls in probably less than 30 minutes. This trail is a pretty short 2.4 mile in and out trail, and it's rated moderate in difficulty. It was fairly easy. It is very crowded today. It is peak season, it's July 6th, so this is what you get when you come up here on a holiday weekend during peak season. That's not a bad thing. I would never complain about people coming up here to give their money to this park and visit, but I just want you to know what you're getting into. There are a lot of people up here today. It's pretty wild. Pretty wild. It is gorgeous falls, and I think maybe if it wasn't so crowded, this might be one of my favorite places to just be. If I could get up here at like 7:30 or 8 in the morning when there's no one, I think it would be a pretty cool place to be. It has quite literally transformed into a water park up here. This trail has a ton of exposed roots, so I would definitely say that proper footwear is a must on this trail. You can blow an ankle so quick. When there are this many people on the trail, if everyone is just courteous and practices basic hiker etiquette, then it makes it really nice for everybody. Don't block the trail, just let everyone through. Don't destroy anything. And there's animals that live here, so this is their home, not ours. We're just visitors. Just take care of the trail and clean up what you bring with you, you know? That way we can all keep coming back and enjoying all of this. Anyway, thanks for joining us, guys. Go outside. We'll see you next time.